There are 2 packages after unboxing. Remove the 2 screws. Connect H and C water pipes and the drain pipe. Connect the basin to the bed. Lift your calf and connect the power cord. Connected power. Start system. When the machine starts, the calf automatically rises. Auto massage. Enter the automatic massage for 20 minutes. Press pause. All functions of the machine are suspended. Massage and air pressure are adjustable in 3 gears. The time can be adjusted manually. Heating function. Long press, calf raise. Long press calf down. User's guide for ABS basin. Height adjust BLE pillow. Shampoo with city water. Please close the drain cover before starting the weight circulation. Fill the basin with water. Power on and choose scalp mode. Turn on LED. Here you can adjust the water temper in scalp mode. Turn off scalp mode, activate steam mode. After the steam ends, the water temperature remains high. Please be careful to avoid burns.